Hey there, my name is Andrea Jones, and I help thought leaders, coaches, and passion-led business owners grow their impact and empower more people using the power of social media. I love social media because it opens up the unique opportunity to meet and connect with people that we otherwise would have never met with before. Social media can be used for more than just sharing pictures of what you've made for dinner or inspirational quotes. It gives us the chance to expand our world and our knowledge to help others do the same as well.
My audience now knows that they can trust me to put out advice and tools every single day of the week.
Entrepreneurs have discovered that social media can be a powerful marketing tool, but somewhere along the way, it sort of lost the magic of real, meaningful connection and became an echo chamber of constantly changing algorithms, ads, and long generic captions.
I really saw social media as something that had the potential to completely take over my life and perhaps not actually have any real value for my business. So I would say it was something I was aware of, but more or less suspiciously avoiding.
Instead of being a bridge between people, it turned into an endless chore and source of stress. OnlineDrea is about helping online business owners reclaim the fun and simplicity in social media marketing and build authentic connections with others while still increasing their impact and influence, and yes, even income.
The beauty of working with this team is the fact that they spend the time to get to know you as a person, your heart as an entrepreneur.
I don't believe you have to sacrifice your mental health or your time with your family and friends to see life-changing results in your business with social media marketing. As a matter of fact, you can make social media work for you instead of the other way around. And with over 7 years in the game and experience helping thousands of clients use the power of social media to grow their business, I'm here to help you build a strategy that works for you and your lifestyle. Here's a few ways how. OnlineDrea offers a variety of services with excellence as one of its core values. The agency is a done-for-you service for entrepreneurs who need to focus on the big picture, while a team of professionals handle all of your social media needs in the background. The Savvy Social School is the ultimate social media marketing membership for the DIY business owner, ready to make their difference in the world. The Thrive membership for social media managers is for those who want hands-on support as they take their business to new heights. And the Savvy Social podcast is for expert interviews and in-depth training to build a sustainable and profitable business online. If you're ready to tap into the power of social media without compromising your sanity, we are here to help you. You don't have to do this alone. First, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, OnlineDrea, to stay up to date with all of our great content, tutorials, and social media training. It's all available for you here. You can also reach out to me directly by emailing hi@onlinedrea.com to ask about any of the services mentioned. Or you can learn more about the services by visiting onlinedrea.com. Then check out the Savvy Social podcast on Spotify, Apple, or Stitcher. I can't wait to welcome you into the community, talk to you, and get to know your business's needs.